Hello everyone, I am here at Birch Beach and today I have for you a quick but effective hip opener sequence which will slowly work towards protecting and strengthening the hips while activating the various muscles of the legs and the lower back. It's going to be a beautiful day here, so won't you join me? Get your mat, get your water bottle, and let's do it. So the first pose we're going to get into is our staff pose, seated at the center of your mat, stretching the legs out completely while extending the spine and support with the palms on the floor, making a beautiful letter L with the entire body. Seated here in Dandasana or staff pose, we're just going to close our eyes, feeling the breath and the movement of the body. Stretch the legs out, feel the muscles open up at the hamstrings and the back of the knees. Now we're coming into our revolved staff pose, twisting to the right, still in our Dandasana. Inhale, placing your left hand over the knee or the shin, and exhaling while twisting the torso towards your right. Stay here, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Here, the opening of the base of the spine along with the middle and the upper back is essential to gradually working on opening those hips. Beautiful job. Going on to the other side now. Inhale, release. Twisting towards the left side, placing the right arm over the knees or the shin, stretching the left arm behind you. Remain here, just breathing. Make sure the hamstrings and the quadriceps are open with every exhalation. The benefits of twist helps to open the hips and lower the lower back faster while also activating the muscles close to the hips and the upper legs. Wonderful job. Coming now into our butterfly, you're going to bring those soles of the feet together. Wonderful job. And you can just be sitting upright, or if you would like to, you can exhale and fold forward. You should be focused on pushing those thighs closer to the floor, keeping those eyes closed. The opening of the inner thighs along with the outer hamstring act as a great way to open the muscles close to the hips. Beautiful job. Inhale. And placing the right hand on the left knee as you exhale while still seated in this position, turning the torso towards the left, twisting the shoulders and the head too. This twist, or Parvita Baddha Kasana, or evolved bound angel pose, helps to flex the lower part of the spine, slowly opening the hip. Breathe. Stay here, exhaling in the twist, further feeling that stretch towards the base of the spine. Coming now, releasing and taking another breath, placing the left arm over the left knee as you exhale, twisting towards the right, flexing the shoulders and the neck. Feel the stretch at the base of the spine and at the hips. Breathe. Sitting here in Birch Bay. Nothing else that we need to worry about. Just take one last stretch. And coming now into our seated forward bend. Stretching the spine and the torso forward while seated, Release and bring the legs to stretch to be seated in Tadasana. Inhale. Stretch the spine as you exhale forward, taking the torso towards your thighs and the knees. Remain here. And with each exhalation, stretch deep upwards and forwards. These counter movements work different for different people, and each body demands a different set of poses to keep the counter movements. So this is very important while in this pose. Coming out of this pose now and back into our butterfly, but we're going to extend our arms now, reaching for the top of that mat. Keep that chest on the mat. With every exhalation, along with your arms, you're breathing through that stretch. Use that base of your spine to go forwards, pulling that belly deep in, tightening the abdomen muscles. Moving now into our shoelace. We're going to take that right knee and stack it over the left knee. And try to bring that chest forward and over the top of the right knee. Beautiful job. Resting that outer foot on the floor close to the left side of the hips. Keep breathing here a few breaths. Push the right thigh closer towards the left thigh. Squeeze those thighs. Put pressure on the upper leg close to the hips. Exhale as you come up. Switching to the other leg, and now your left knee is coming stacked over the top of your right knee. Wonderful job. Just lean forward if you can, or if you're not there yet, then just stay up. But try to go as far as possible. Wonderful job here. Keep breathing. Don't let anything else distract you. And now we're going to be back into the shoelace, but now we're going to be in a side shoelace stretch. So coming to the right side stretching, bring that left arm over the top of the head. That right elbow is on your mat, bent. Exhale. Switching legs. And now that right knee is stacked on top of the left. And now our right arm is coming overhead as our left elbow is bent onto the mat. Taking in this breath slowly. It's a good way to open the muscles around the hips and the lower back. Coming up now into our plank. Getting ready for our pigeon. You're going to bend that right knee into a 90-degree angle. Bring it parallel to those palms of your hands. And you can be up with the chest or come down onto your elbows, whatever's most comfortable for you right now. Make sure that left leg is in the middle of your mat. And let's just continue our breathing. In and out through the mouth. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out. So you can come out of this pose. Bring chest up and back into plank. Adjust yourself if needed. And now let's take that left knee, bend it into a 90-degree angle, right angle here. Just adjust that foot if you can. If you need to keep it closer to your body, then you need to do that. If you can try to bring it more at an angle, then go ahead and try to do that. And bring the whole forehead down to the mat, or keep yourself up. Such a wonderful hip opener here. This is going to improve flexibility in the hips and the lower back. Wonderful job. Now you're going to come back up, releasing, and we're going to come into plank, holding here for a moment, hopping forward into our Malasana, our Garland Pose. Just take a breath here, relax those hips and legs. Beautiful. And now we're going to come into our lower lunge, stepping the left leg forward, having it bent. Remember not to let those knees come past those toes. Resting the palms on the knees. Beautiful job. Keeping the leg and the knee right over the ankle there, the heel. And then pull back into your half split as you exhale. You can pull that foot if you would like to, just to give a deeper stretch. And inhale as you go forward again into that low lunge. And then exhale as you pull back into your half split. Inhale again into lunge. Coming back up. Bring that foot back. And now we're going to bring the right foot forward. Rest that left leg straight back. Come up and rest those palms on that knee, the right knee, in our lunge, our low lunge. Just take a few breaths here before we pull back now into our half split as you exhale. And inhale when we go forward into our lunge. Exhale back into your half split. And inhale. Make sure you are not going over those toes. Beautiful. And exhale, coming back into your half split. And we're just going to hop forward into our easy pose. And inhale as you bring your arms up. Exhale, bring the palms to heart. One more time, inhale. And exhale, hands to prayer. And let's just give a little round roll from left to right, and then right all the way to the left. Keep those elbows straight. Just back and forth, rounding up the back. Nice job. And let's just put our palms up and relax, taking in all this beautiful weather here, the ocean, air. Such a nice day out today. I love being at the beach, doing yoga. It's very relaxing. Yes. I hope that you have a peaceful, enjoyable time here with me. Before we go, I have one last thing, something fun for you to try, your mermaid. If you would like to try, join me. You're going to put your left knee, like pigeon, lift that chest up, and then reach with your right arm back behind you, grabbing your right ankle, and hook it into this crook of your elbow, and bring your left arm around your head, clasp those hands together, and you have your mermaid. Breathe here. Wonderful. switch to the other side, try it on the other side. Sometimes we're more flexible on one side of our body than the other. We are going to bend that right knee and bend the left knee, the left ankle up to that hook in your elbow, and reach around, grabbing the hands together. Looking up to that beautiful sky. Thank you for joining me today at Birch Bay